Today we're going to do an easy oatmeal cookie. The cookie is one thing that the kids love to take to school, and you'll wonder why you even bother buying it because it's so easy to make. So the ingredients for this is 3/4 cup flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of oats, salted butter, half cup, 2 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of honey or golden syrup. So we start with sieving the all-purpose flour and the baking soda. Make sure there are no lumps. Then add the brown sugar and the oats. Mix thoroughly. And next we're going to melt the softened butter and the 2 tablespoons of milk and the golden syrup, or the honey in this case. Melt it over a low flame. So once you melted the butter and the milk and the golden syrup over a low flame, you mix it to the rest of the ingredients. Gently stir to get it all together. Oatmeal dough is going to look something like this. A little wet but not too loose. Now we're going to transfer it into a greased baking tray. Take a spoonful of dough and put it onto a greased baking tray. It's going to flatten out much more than you think, so leave adequate space. It's better for it to be a little smaller and less than too much. On my blog, I've called it the vanishing oatmeal cookies, because once you start baking it, you can't just wait for it to be ready. And believe me, it vanishes much faster than you think. So once you fill the tray, bake in a preheated oven of 175 degrees for around 10 to 12 minutes until the cookie turns golden. Remember that when you bake cookies, even after you take the cookies out of the tray, it's still cooking. So don't wait for it to be hard and crispy, because it will become harder and crispier once it starts cooling. So this batch of cookies took around 12 minutes to think. So you can see that it's become slightly golden on the edges, and it's waited now for some 5 minutes and it's become hard. So there you have it, vanishing oatmeal cookies.